Hi viewers, good morning to you all. If anybody are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And one good news for you all, Udemy is providing free online certification for courses for all the students during this lockdown. They are providing with free of cost. So if anybody are interested to watch this video, you can watch, otherwise you can skip this video. Who have interested on online certification courses, they can watch this video, full video. Okay, let's start the video. This is the website of Udemy. I will provide link in the description box. If you are interested, you can go through that link, and if you click on menu button, based upon your interest you can choose your course. Like if you are interested in web development or mobile apps or game development, based upon your interest you can choose your. First of all, you need to think if you will do any course because of gaining your skills, not for the certificate main. If you want only certificate, there are many courses are providing free certificates, you can go for that. If you want to gain your knowledge and your skills, Coursera and Udemy are more and more best courses for you all. If you are interested, I have already done a video on Coursera. If you want to watch that video, I will provide link in the description box, you can choose. Okay, coming to here, if you want to choose any kind of course, click on particular course. Here are the courses like on web development, mobile app development, like many more game development, and many more courses I have been providing. For example, if you click on Android development or any kind of one course, like if I will click on that kind of course, you can choose the course based upon your interest. Okay, for example, I am showing the main top courses which have been registered, and these are the more important courses. Like first of all, web development course. Web development have been developed using HTML, JavaScript, bootstrap and CSS and many more. Here there are three type of courses has been providing through in one course, and many more like English fluency skills and Android mobile app development and complete web responsive development course, like 4 courses in one, like the C++ programming and Python. These are the top 5 courses which the Udemy has been providing. If you are interested, I definitely provide link in the description box, otherwise comment me in the comment box. If you have any doubts regarding this, I will definitely solve your doubts. And the 5 courses I will list out once again, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Like these are the topics which comes under web development. And coming to next, Android app development, Python programming and C++ and English fluency skills. And these are the 5 courses much more important. I'll show detailed course contents and overview of the contents of the course. For example, if we will click on particular course, like I have clicked on HTML course, like web development course, you can see here it is the page has been opened after clicking on that particular course. Like if you can see course content overview and question and answers notes. If you have any questions, you can raise your questions, they will solve your doubts also. And you can see the overview of the course. Till now or 1 lakh students has been registered, and then you can see here lectures 124, and the video has 6.5 total hours. If you will gain certificate after completion of your course, if you complete 6.5 hours total of your course, then you will get certificate. You can download directly, and you can see the course content. You can see like they have been provided into sections. In this course there are 3 sections. First is on HTML, second is on JavaScript, and third is on bootstrap, and there are 3 sections has been given. And you can see there are, in this they have been explained detailed, because I have been personally learned all these courses, so I am saying for you and I am advising. If you are interested in particular courses, you can choose these courses, because these courses are much more important for you all. If you are interested only, if otherwise you can skip this video, and you are not at all, you don't want to register for this course. Generally for you gaining your skills, these are the best courses for you, which I have been showing here, top most 5 courses. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you are interested, you can register. If you have any doubts, comment me in the comment box. Okay, thank you. And you can see have been given the list of the 5 courses. You can see in detail, like Python, learn for the basics of the Python. And the next course has been like complete web responsive development. Like you can see here, I have given the complete procedure and complete images of the particular course, because you need to get a brief idea about that have been given here. These are the top most 4 courses first of all, and English speaking skills is based upon your choice. If you are interested, you can choose that, otherwise you can leave it. And I will show the sample certificate of Udemy also, so let's wait for the certificate. We can see here, and this is a certificate has been providing with the Udemy. If you are complete the total course, definitely they will provide the certificate for you with your name and with the date of the completion date. And you can see here this is a certificate, and this certificate has more value also. And if you want to do course only for the skills, not for the certificate, because certificate will not be useful, just the skills has been useful for the interview. So if you are interested, if you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe and click on like button. Thank you.